Recently I bought a wonderful power supply, this Italian power supply. Buongiorno bella macchina. Actually it was faulty on the right side and I was trying to fix it. While doing that, it behaved very strangely. I mean, it was a drama. It behaved not at all. And even spit some parts out. Please come along with me and enjoy this fantastic Italian drama. Welcome to Mark's high-level tinkering. Remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. Well, the very first thing I noticed is this rattling sound. Let's see what it is. There are tons of wires coming out of the secondary side of the transformer. So I thought it's maybe good to mark them. And I marked them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and right and left. Little did I know that you can even mix this up. So now I'm trying to find out whether I have a short on the secondary. That's why I'm measuring all the resistance of the different wires. So good news, no shortage found. Let's plug these in again. I just plugged that into mains voltage, so right now it has 230 volts on it. And guys, be careful, huh? Even what I'm doing here is, I cannot see it again. Take care, please. Hey, it looks like good news. I have voltage on the right channel. I have voltage on left and right channel, but still something's wrong. Not doing anything, and it's, look at that, it switches and what's going on? Look at that, I turned everything down and the right channel's still giving me 15 volts. Left channel seems to be okay. Very strange. Let the drama begin. Well, my brain is running hot and I really tried to find out. I compare both sides. I'm wondering why they're not equal, why they're not running. Well, and then I'm measuring the voltage across the capacitors, here the large ones, and you see one side is 31 volts. And let's see the other side. It's 44 volts. different voltages, strange. I was thinking and thinking, and you know what? Yeah, it's so simple. Look when I wrote the numbers to the plugs. Here you can see me writing 1R from the right side, from the back. And after I have reassembled the whole thing, look the wiring, it's 1 left. What a stupid mistake. Okay, let's rewire and move on. First things, I want to see whether the thing has on both sides power. So that's why I'm checking now the full bridge rectifier. So the right side is reading 13.4 volts, which looks good to me. Let's see the other side. Same here, very well. So up to this point everything is fine. I think next thing to check are the end transistors, the power transistors. So I took them out and start measuring them. I see on this side the resistance is always roughly, what was it? 40k. Yeah. So everything reads the same on this side, and on the other side it reads 1k. Zero K, nothing at all, nothing at all. So I'm pretty sure one of the power transistors is faulty. So taking this apart is easier said than done, and I needed some brute force here to come in. So before turning myself to the transistors, I decided to replace all the caps. I'm curious how they're reading. Well, they're okay. But anyway, I mean, since these capacitors cost you a couple of cents or dollars, I decided to replace them anyway. On the PCB I discovered a burn mark, so there was a resistor which probably has seen better days. I mean, at a certain point of time something happened to that board, and that's probably what caused the transistors to fail. So I'm replacing this resistor here first. Additionally, I took the relays out because I wanted to clean the boards in the ultrasonic bath. They don't look very nice, so I thought the bath would be nice. Well, the result is not that bad here. There is still some dirt or stains, but on the other side here it looks very nice, yes. So let's solder the new parts in. Three, two, one, done. All the caps are in now. Now let's focus on the transistors. So the replacement of the transistors is pretty straightforward. They have these bridging wires from one foot to the other, but it's not that difficult to solder that in. And they also go into the whirlpool. So if you ask me, all done. The caps are replaced, the transistors are replaced, all the four of them. So in my eyes, the whole thing should work. Here's maybe a good learning from my side. I mean, in the past I forgot to take pictures, and oh gosh, I made so many mistakes rewiring the things. So here I learned from my mistakes. I took a picture and it was much easier for me to rewire. almost it. So let's give it a test. I'm pretty sure it works. Huh? Come on, it's not working at all. I'm so sure it should work. What's going wrong? Huh? Not that again. What's wrong now again? It's really an Italian drama, this machine. Gosh. Why is there no voltage? Well, I figured it out. Look at the picture I've taken. Can you spot this black beauty here? And again here. Nope. In the box, here they are. I totally forgot to put the relays in. Okay, let's start from scratch. Unplugging all the cables, unscrewing the board, soldering the relays in, coming back, and yes. Both channels are working. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, that's it. That's it. I fixed it. At the end of the day, one resistor and probably one power transistor. I think that's it. Hang on a sec. There's something wrong with the left channel. It's not reading properly. There is a loose contact here. The post is not fixed. The drama continues. I think this power supply asks for additional love from my side, honestly. I haven't removed the front yet, so it wants me to remove it and to look at it, and yeah. And here you see the post is loose. Didn't I find this bolt in the beginning? Yes, exactly. That's where it comes from. Did you see that? I saw it. Slow motion. Here we go. No, I snapped off a cap. Drama number 4. Incredible. What do you think? Can I say finally now? Finally it's done? I don't know. Let's see. Both channels look really, really fine. Yeah, let's measure it. That's probably best now to see what's coming out. Well, I measured it and it really looks fine, and now what I'm completing is the final adjustments. As you can see, I have a load here with half an amp, 500 milliamps, and what I'm doing now is adjusting, fine-tuning the indicators. Well, I'm so happy that it's working again. I'm very proud of having it fixed, and basically that's it. I'm happy that it's running, but yeah, no more drama. But please join me for a bonus round. As usual, we want more, right? So I want to have some LEDs on top of the indicators, and how I do it is I see that in the secondary I have 15 volts AC. So I use a bridge rectifier, a little one. I use a voltage regulator for 12 volts and some LEDs which have an inbuilt resistor already. And this should give me a very nice illumination of the indicators and the display. Let's see how it goes. Ah, yes, that's exactly how I like it. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. If you subscribe now, you will not miss my next video. Thanks for watching.